Discover this inviting home set on a private corner lot in Sherwood's highly sought-after Woodhaven neighborhood. Beautifully maintained with timeless design in a fantastic location, it's just moments from Stella Olsen Memorial Park, shopping, restaurants, historic Old Town Sherwood, top-rated schools, the YMCA, and walking trails. Head inside and discover more than 3,100 square feet of thoughtful updates and gorgeous craftsmanship. The open concept kitchen features Brazilian cherry floors, quartz countertops, a gas cooktop, large pantry, and an eat-in bar. All flowing seamlessly to the nook and light-filled formal dining room. Plus a dedicated home office. Upstairs, retreat to the spacious primary suite featuring coffered ceilings and a luxurious ensuite bath with quartz countertops, separate vanities, a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet with organizers. You'll also find a huge bonus room in this spacious home with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Enjoy the fully fenced, low-maintenance backyard with paver and concrete patios designed for relaxing or entertaining. Other highlights include surround sound speakers and an oversized 2-car garage that's equipped with a backup generator. Everyday comfort with timeless design. You'll find it all in the heart of Woodhaven. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.